Welcome dear guys. In this video I'm going to share information about the how you can list your domain on Shadow in MLS Premium. You know, each and every domain investor, each and every domain seller would like to sell their domain in fast way. But here is the question, how you can do on Shadow. In generally cases, a domain seller list their domain in a general way, but there is a trick by that you can sell your domain in a fast way, because if you list your domain in Shadow MLS Premium, where you have no other pre-expenses, you have no charge apply to list your domain on Shadow MLS Premium, but there is a secret, there is a way that is to follow by you to list your domain, that is called MLS Premium. And how you can list your domain, but there is a condition, you will be charged 20% if your deal is complete, and in other cases charge applied 10 to 15% on Shadow. But MLS Premium domain is a feature on that Shadow try to sell your domain in a fast way on many platforms. So it's easy process. Let's follow me how you can do it. How a domain can be added on Shadow for DLS Premium. That's so simple. First of all, you require to log in your account and add domains. You should go on add domains. As you can see on the screen, after a few seconds we found the option of add a domain, and here I need to add a domain, and bdcn.in is my domain, that is short form of Bitcoin, and I hope this domain will give me a good opportunity in domain industry. So recently I purchased this, and question is how sell on Shadow. That's so simple. First of all, buy now is the option you have to choose. If you not for sale, make offer, these options if you choose, then Shadow MLS Premium will not active. Only here the option buy now, and in that condition Shadow will sell your domain. That is a feature of this domain, and here I put my price, expensive, how much expensive this domain that I have put here. And we recommend, you can also see on the screen, we recommend setting buy now price which sell faster and allow buyers to purchase domains without the hassle of negotiations. If you have here choose the option of buy now, then negotiations and bargaining will be removed, and direct you have the option of go to step 3. Means we completed the 2 step, and third option here you can see, please complete your payment detail. If you not completed, I have need to complete, and register you have to choose here. For example, I have GoDaddy, I have to choose GoDaddy, and activate Shadow Premium, you have to edit here, and GoDaddy. Okay, so you have to choose active Shadow Premium, and you can here choose other option also. No, if you choose no, then you have to click it. And if you active Shadow MLS Premium, means the condition which are already mentioned, you can read in the terms and conditions which are mentioned on this website, and click here yes, and active Shadow Premium, click. And now the option I have to complete the payment detail, and after that the last process, finish adding domains, and I confirm that I have read the fully agree to the Shadow MLS Premium terms of use. And that's a fast way, that's a good way to sell your domain at a fast and in less to less time. And before to complete the final stage, I need to payment detail add here, and you can see that's easy. Step by step payment detail you need to put here. That's easy. I think you self also will do here. Bank country, account number, and routing, bank name, swift code, all these information is required to put here. And after that completion, your complete detail of account related and finish adding domains you can do here. For example, I finish adding, and first take the proof of ownership with Shadow self verification service also you can do here for self verification. Otherwise Shadow will automatically will verification with your DNS, no matter you do self verification or not. So it's a process how you can add your domain on Shadow MLS Premium. That's easy step. I hope you will understand, and you will use such a kind of information for your domains to sell fast, and also such a type of information related to domain investors are very helpful. After this video, I can assume that you understood how you can list your domain on MLS Premium, and there is no difference. There is only 5%, but the chances of your domain selling increase more and more, and that is the way, that is reason you should list your domain on MLS Premium. And for such a kind of information you can subscribe the YouTube channel and hit the bell icon, and for such a kind of information be stay with me. And for such a kind of information I will meet you in next video. Have a nice day.